Hello, Namaste and Swagatam. Welcome to TBG's Women's Zone. In this video, I will take you through some of the trending braid styles used by our modern brides. Brides, especially from South, prefer wearing traditional style of a braid decorated with flowers, commonly known as poojarai. I'm going to show you some of the latest braids with a traditional twist. So come, let's see them one by one. Front updo with braid. This hair braid is so simple to create that you just need to do a simple temple twist or a front teased poof in the front. Instead of taking a center partition and braiding in a usual traditional way, you can try this method. A front teased poof will definitely give you a highlighted look, and then you may braid your hair as per your wish. For a much messy look, try pulling out hair from each strand of the braid. Retro braid. Now let's see the second type, retro braid. This sounds something different, right? Yes, this hairstyle will give you a western touch. You can use some designer bands to decorate and highlight the braid. Long fishtail. The third type is a single side long braiding. Fishtail is one of the best braiding style. It gives an elaborate braid look when you carry it on one side of the shoulder. You can enhance the look with a front updo as mentioned above, and also decorate the fish braid with studded jewel piece. This one is go-to for brides, especially for a reception look or a party look. Abstract braiding. The fourth braiding technique is abstract braiding. This is something new and different from other braiding techniques. This hairstyle will make yourself go wow. As the name reads, abstract braiding requires some amount of creativity. Tying the braid loose or giving it a messy touch would enhance it more. High bun with multi-layered wraparound braids. This high bun will suit anyone with a slender body type. This hairstyle will definitely steal the show and will go well for evening gowns, western dresses or a bridal saree too. High buns are sometimes tedious to maintain, but the puff and the loose flicks in this style will help you strain slightly lesser than any other bun hairstyles. Sleek wavy layers with front braid and flicks. The key in this hairstyle is to look classy and not overdo your entire look. One of the most comfortable hairstyles ever. Your hair is let open and there are hardly any hairpins bothering you, unlike other hairstyles. Puffy texture top with layers of messy braids. This hairstyle may not be too easy to carry. It is stylish, but it might get a little tough to deal with if it involves a lot of dancing and moving around to do. Trust me, this one makes you look gorgeous, extravagant and dreamy. Be it a saree or a lehenga, this hairstyle will go very well and definitely make people turn heads. Side braid and puff with a curled hat type. As you can see, the hair is loosely braided at the top with the half updo towards the end. It's indeed stylish and comfortable to carry. This hairstyle will accentuate your facial features and make you look like a princess. We are sure you will look gorgeous as ever. Till then, stay tuned for more such hairstyle inspiration. Also, don't forget to tell us which one is your favorite out of these hairstyles in the comment section below. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and do like and subscribe for more such videos. And don't forget to click on the bell button.